My collar's got chicken pox, y'all. Look at that. Hello, everyone. I am getting ready to... I'm gonna have to cut this one broccoli. I'm gonna have to show you guys this one broccoli. I have it inside... Oops, sorry. I have it inside of the greenhouse. So I'm just gonna have to show you guys what it looks like. I picked up a light for when I'm out here. I don't know how bright it is gonna be, but we shall see. She has some like by her hot tub, but I'm tired of grabbing that thing. So I put the broccoli inside of the greenhouse. It says that it's about, I think it's about 70 degrees. Oh, I'll show you guys the thermometer that I got. So I just picked up a little cheap one. Nothing like expensive yet. And I didn't find the one that I wanted. I got this from Walmart, but let's go ahead and go in. All right. Ooh, it's stinking here. All right, so this one right here, I'm about to cut. I don't know why they're separating. What is going on? What is wrong with y'all? Why y'all acting like this? Anyways, I'm about to just cut these. I keep forgetting to bring my dang on bag. Let me go see if my sister has any bags so I can put this broccoli in it. Here is what the kale and collards are looking like. So yesterday is the beginning of the month. Well, it isn't the beginning of the month, but this is like the first week of March. And yesterday I fed everything. So with that same stuff that I showed you guys last time. But some of my collard leaves are turning, sorry you guys, I had to set that light down. Some of my collard leaves are turning yellow. Maybe that means I need to cut them. I don't know, but collars are supposed to get really big, right? That's what I'm waiting for them to, what's wrong with this one? Why do I see these bumps on here? My collar's got chicken pox, y'all. Look at that. But no, for real, I am going to, perhaps this weekend, hopefully, I am just going to go ahead and come over here and clean some stuff up. I'm going to get rid of the ones that refuse to grow. So this one down here is growing, but it's growing so weird. Like, why are the leaves so short? Like, what is going on with you? Are you okay, buddy? Anyways, you guys, I feel like I can get some of this kale. I'm taking this kale too. I'm about to give me some kale, y'all. I'll let y'all know what it tastes like. I'm going to get some kale. I ain't getting no collards. I'm going to get some broccoli and some spinach. So let me go ahead and do that. So let's talk about that broccoli that I grew, you guys. I did end up cooking it that same night. And oh my goodness, it was absolutely delicious. It didn't taste anything like a store-bought broccoli. Also, it stayed a vibrant green even while I was cooking it. Now, granted, it's probably not the same type of broccoli, but I was still shocked. I was like, it's still green. There's like still color. It was still bright green after I cooked it, and it was absolutely delicious. I still have yet to actually cook the kale and the spinach that I have, but I'll get around to it. I forgot I bought like a little stool. Let me go grab that thing out the trunk. And I bought some straw. I was about to say, hey, let me get both of those out of the trunk. I don't know why I always want to refer to the straw as hay. I don't know what be going through my mind. Y'all see how my sister not helping me? Y'all see how she just let me struggle, not help? Well, I was just talking. Yeah, she was letting me struggle. I bought this. We'll see. Hopefully I don't have to put anything together. Let's see. So I'm gonna just show you guys real quick. Literally, I didn't have to do anything, which is awesome. So of course it's padded and has like a little pocket over here if you want to keep your tools in it. I am about to sit down and pick this up. You can also put it like this and you can nail on it as well. So yay, pretty cool, huh? I got this from Ollie's. It was $17.99. Not sure if that's a good price, but whatever. I just grabbed it. Let me finish cutting all of this produce up. Like I said earlier, I have already cooked my broccoli, but I have yet to actually cook the kale. I already know what the spinach tastes like. I've cooked the spinach like several times, or like I picked it and then cooked the spinach like several times. But yeah, you guys. Anyways, this upcoming weekend, I have a lot to do. I told my husband to put my other raised bed together. I am going to plant everything that I have, simply because I leave on Wednesday and then I won't be back until April. So everything is going to get started. Everything is going to get planted. I have onions, potatoes, strawberries. I want to plant some carrots. What else do I have? Oh yeah, I need to start my tomatoes. I also need to start my peppers, and then I need to start my cucumbers. I don't know if I should start my cucumbers now. Let me know in the comments down below if it's too early to actually start cucumbers. We'll see. And then I also want to start, oh yeah, beets, and I also want to start some herbs. Not sure which ones, but I will. I got a great deal. Really, I don't know if you guys can tell her or not, but I cut a lot of the spinach. Let me show you guys. It's basically bald, but I am getting ready to leave next week, and I don't know if all of this. I'm gonna be so sad if it doesn't last by the time I come back, because I don't come back until April, and it starts to warm up sort of like in April. So, but I come back at the beginning of April, so I'm praying that all of it is still here. Should I cut those yellow leaves? Let me know, you guys, because I'll be right back out here this weekend. I don't know. Should I cut those yellow leaves? Let me know in the comments down below, please. Thank you. And I cut this one kale bald, baby. All right, let's go cut the broccoli. So what I am going to do is just cut this, because when I researched it, it says when it starts to separate like that, it's about to go to seed. So what we're going to do is cut all of that, because guess what? I don't want it to go to seed. I want to see what happens. So I'm going to just cut all of these little broccolis off as well. Let me see if I can just snip them off. Yeah, let's just snip all of those off. And, well, I got the leaf too, but whatever. And see what happens. You know what I'm going to have to do? I'm going to have to get used to the smell of going into the greenhouse, because this is not a pleasant smell. I'm out here with some air fresheners, like I'm joking. Don't want that around my plants. But, oh my goodness. I'm cutting this one, and I'm going to cut that one too. And probably this one too, because he look like he's about to separate. Goodness gracious now. What is your problem? I'm a beginner. Why can't y'all, like, be easy on me? Broccoli out here acting a fool. Well, we'll see what happens. And sorry for moving the camera. I, of course, did not bring my tripod with me. I need to get a tripod and just leave it at her house. Oh, that leaf look ugly. Let's cut you off. But yeah, I need to get a... This one looks okay. He look like he's about to separate. What? Why are they all separating? What's wrong? What is wrong with you guys? Like, what is the reason? What? You know what? You know what? I'm gonna just cut all of ya. Screw it. And I'm gonna eat this broccoli tonight, because I'm making burgers. So of course, you guys, I'm gonna have plant-based burgers, and my family will not. So yeah, I'm gonna make some burgers, broccoli, and potatoes. Is it too late to start potatoes and onions? Let me know. I want to start a lot of stuff before I leave. So listen, I got so much stuff to start before, and I leave in the middle of the week next week. So I need to do everything like ASAP. All right, little broccolis. Oh, there's one. All right, I guess I'm done picking everything. Oh, don't want to forget these. All right, it's getting dark. So since it's supposed to rain tonight, I just brought the broccoli out so they can get some rainwater. And yeah, it's time for me to leave, because I keep hearing noises. So I'm going to have to talk to you guys in my next one. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and give my video a thumbs up. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye. So I'm going to have to talk to you guys in my next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Lord Jesus.